Hi and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be talking about direction cosines, or in its other way we call it the angle that a vector makes with the positive x, y or z axis. Picture, we have a coordinate system. This is the y-axis, this is the x, this is the y, and we have a z-axis like that. Now, if we have a vector that's maybe coming out like that, it has this vector b, it has an x component, a y component, and a z component. So the direction cosine, or the angle that this vector makes with each coordinate system. So there's an angle that's being formed between the z-axis and this vector, an angle that's being formed between the y-axis and this vector, and an angle that's being formed between this vector and the x-axis. So that's what we get using the direction cosine. The formula is cos theta is equal to, in this case, this is vector b, bx over the magnitude of the vector b. Now, what's bx? Bx is the magnitude of the x component of this vector. So in this case, it has to be 3. Now, because the magnitude of b we do not have, but we can find it, that's why the first step of this procedure is that we find the magnitude of the vector b. Now the magnitude is gotten by the square root of bx squared plus by squared plus bz squared. Bx, by, and bz are the x, y, and z components of this vector. The next step after that is to use the formula for the direction cosine, which is this one. With that in mind, let's get into it. Okay, so the first step is to find the magnitude of the vector b. The magnitude is going to be gotten by the square root of bx squared plus by squared plus bz squared. What's the value of bx? Bx is 3. So that's 3 squared plus by is 6. So that's 6 squared plus bz is 2. So that's 2 squared. This is equal to 9 plus 6 squared is 36. 2 squared is 4. We add everything up together, making the magnitude of b equal to 7. Next up, we need to get the angle that the vector b makes with the x-axis. So we'll say for x, now we have to differentiate the angles, because if we use theta for each and every one of them, there'll be no distinction. So for x-axis, we'll use alpha. For y-axis, we'll use beta. And for the z-axis, we use gamma, just to separate the angles from each other. So we'll say cos alpha is equal to bx over the magnitude of b. Cos alpha is equal to bx is 3 over the magnitude of b is 7, making alpha cos inverse of 3 over 7. Alpha is equal to 64.6 degrees. Next up, we need to get for y. So for y, we use cos beta is equal to by over the magnitude of b. By is 6. So that's 6 over 7 cos beta, making beta equal to cos inverse 6 over 7. Beta is therefore equal to 31.0 degrees. Lastly, for Z. For Z, we use cos gamma is equal to BZ over the magnitude of B. BZ is 2. So that's 2 over 7 cos gamma is equal to this, making gamma equal to cos inverse 2 over 7. Gamma is therefore equal to 73.4 degrees.